So good morning and welcome to the second day of the MicroLED Connect Live, which is a very important, so you have an opportunity to network. And I'm very honored to actually chair the first session of the day, first of all, but also the session that will bring us exceptional insights into the markets, into the newest technologies and what is possible. And with due waiting, I'll introduce the first speaker of the day. It's Jerome, sorry, I cannot pronounce the last name, from Yole Group to cover the insights on the markets, on the trends and the next developments. And I think that this is the topic that everyone is very curious about currently. So Jerome, please join me in welcoming the first speaker.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my moderation, and no pressure. I understood quite a lot of people are expecting this. All right, so good morning, everybody, and thank you for attending. It's my honor to participate to this event. Double honor also to be the first speaker of the day, so I'll try to use this slot in the best manner possible to be giving you a context and market insights and technology insights on the different topics of the day. So just a few words. Yeah, on my company, for people that do not know Yole Group, in case you're trying to understand why I am here, basically we are a market intelligence company. We focus on different types of semiconductors. We provide intelligence regarding market trends, technology trends, and supply chain trends. We have a variety of applications and expertise in the company, but of course we have team dedicated in displays and in micro-LEDs. So all the slides you're going to see today are actually coming from reports that either were published or are going to be published soon. For instance, our micro-LED and technologies and manufacturing 2024 report that will be released soon. Anyway, so today I have a bit of an ambitious outline. I would like to discuss about the industry momentum, meaning the situation regarding the supply chain, regarding the market, regarding Apple also, so we'll talk about that. I know a lot of people are expecting our view on this. We'll talk about the challenge for micro-LED, we'll talk about the cost and price issues, and focus on two interesting applications, AR and automotive. So I realized yesterday when I was practicing that this is a little bit ambitious regarding the timing I have, so I will rush few things unfortunately, but don't worry, if you have seen in some slides some interest and some points you want me to develop further, I'm available during the break, so don't hesitate to catch me. And sorry in advance for the rush, I just want to respect the moderation, which expressed a very ambitious point, and to respect all the timings, which I will do. All right, let's start with the industry momentum. So what I call the industry momentum is basically the context of the market. So what happened? Let's start first with the elephant in the room. Did Apple just kill the micro-LED industry? It's a voluntarily provocative type of questions. I will give you a few views, but I think it's an important introduction because that's what a lot of people in the industry are wondering. So what happened basically in terms of context? You could say that Apple basically shaped this industry a few years ago through purchasing LuxView and then through investing billions of dollars in R&D, setting up also a supply chain with partners like AMS Osram. And when you had this high expectation of releasing a product, a smartwatch in 2026, suddenly this year, they announced on the 28th of February they would cancel everything, which was a shock, of course, because then the question was, did Apple just kill everything? Is it really what happened? So, of course, we consider no. It was a big shock, it has a big impact, but let me put a bit of context behind. Yes, you had several billions invested by Apple, 3 billions, and also 2 other billions by partners. So overall, products related to Apple were representing, you could say, $5 billion. But you have a lot of other investments that were already made by other players. So Apple stopping is, of course, a big impact, a big hit, but you do have other investment ongoing, and that really needs a return on investment. So Apple is not alone here. So you had a lot of things invested in R&D, but also a lot of startups investing, really not related to Apple supply chain. So just that is a fuel for other application and for the market of micro-LEDs. You have another way to look at it. It's regarding the patent research. So if you look at the number of patents, yes, everything started really to go exponentially after Apple acquires LuxView, as you can see here. And then you reach this kind of plateau after 2018. but it's still very high. So that means it's not just Apple that is researching micro-LEDs. It's quite a